So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to embed PDFs here on the Notes app. So a couple ways you can do this. The simplest way is to go to the top right here, press on where it says Pictures. Then where it says Attach File, go ahead and select that. Then it's going to open up Finder on your computer where you can go ahead and find a PDF, insert it that way. Now, if that's not here for whatever reason, it's pretty straightforward as well. You can go to the top left here, press on File, then press on where it says Import to Notes. It'll bring up the same page that way, and you can embed PDFs in your actual Notes tab right here. So if you can insert it, it'll then add it to it. I'll let you guys play around with it, do what you got to do. But very simple. That is how to insert, or I guess how to embed PDFs into the Notes app here on Mac. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.